Hello students, today we will learn Introduction to Scratch Programming. This is a programming language, Scratch. You can see the image, that is the logo of Scratch Programming. So here we can write the commands. Okay, so first of all we have to know what is program and programming language. So in our daily life we perform many tasks from dawn to dusk. Okay, any task that we perform includes various steps. Whatever task we'll do, we'll perform, it needs some steps. We have to follow the steps, so we complete it step by step in a particular sequence, up or down. Okay, so first of all we have to know what is program. A program is also called software, which tells the computer what to do. Okay, it tells the computer what to do, means the specific commands and instructions given to computer to do a particular task. So what is programming language? The language used to write programs. The language which is used to write programs with using some software, that is called programming language, and the persons who write the program is called programmer. Okay, so now we'll learn what is the use of Scratch programming language. So what is the use? Children for fun and games they can play, they can make to learn basics of programming language. Also children can make stories, games, and artists for giving a free run to their creativity. They can develop their creativity. And teachers or educationalists for creating interactive learning environments and immersive learning, etc. they can make using the Scratch programming language. Okay, so now we'll learn how to open a Scratch program. First you have to download it. You have to download the Scratch software in the Google and install it. After that, one cat logo icon is there on the desktop. You just double click, so like this window will appear. You can make it full screen. Okay, you can see the image. So like this window will appear. So before we start creating the Scratch program, so first of all we'll take one let's take one example.
Example. Suppose a teacher asks Kabir to bring notebooks of his class from the computer lab. Since he is new in the school, so she guides him the way to reach to the computer lab. She gives instructions to Kabir in the following manner. Move left from the class and go straight. After leaving 5 classes, take a right turn. Move forward, and after leaving 6 classes, take left turn. After leaving 3 classes, you will reach to the computer lab.
So now you can see the image, the windows, Scratch window, and left side you can see the controls, options, buttons are there. You can choose any. First one is motion. You can choose any steps. Just select the sprite. Right side you can see the sprite, or you can select any new sprite. You can paint new sprite, anything you can paint here. Okay, whatever you want you can make the shapes. Okay, and you can give colors also, fill it. like this, just one example. Okay, click, so that paint drawing will appear here. You can see. So here one option is there, grow sprite. Just click here. You can see, just grow, click. That sprite, that drawing will little bit bigger, that means grow. And another option is a shrink sprite. Okay, you can make it smaller. Okay, you can make it bigger and smaller, like this. These two option is there, grow, and here delete option is there, the scissors shape. Another duplicate option is there. If you click any of the drawing, duplicate image will appear. Okay, so another option is there, choose new sprite from file. So here animals, fantasy, letter, people, things, transportation, everything is there. You choose any of the image. You can see whatever you want to make. Just click OK, click. Whatever image you can collect. More image you require, the animals, then customs, fantasy is there. You can select any of the drawing, like this, to make your complete games, cartoons, images, animation you can make. Okay, so new sprite, choose new sprite, or get surprise sprite is also there. Okay, so now what you will do, just see, just click any of the sprite. Just here motion option, click, move 10 steps. Okay, so here you can see the changes. So here start green flag scripts and stop everything. Okay, you can make it full screen also. Switch to full stage. Full screen option is there also. You just click, it will start. Okay, and so more options are there. Turn 15 degree, you can drag and drop it here. You can see here, and turn 50 degrees option, that means that sprite will move to 15 degree. You can change more, just change the numbers. Okay, and here also move 10 steps written. You can write any steps. Then point in direction, point towards, move to where, it will move. Sprite, any sprite it can move. You can give the numbers. Okay, so before we start, first you can here another option is your looks. Switch to costume, you can change the costume. You can make the, you can change the sound also, say hello or anything you can write here also. Okay, you can write, change the size. Sound option is there. It will make, you can make the sound. Okay, and control option is there. So first when clicked, then stop all, you can add here last. And when space key pressed, if you will use, then when you will space key use, then it will work. Okay, some sensing is there. Touching color is touching. What's your name, you can operate, you can write here. Operator options are there. you can plus, minus, multiplication, division symbols are there, and variables are there to make. You can make your variables. Okay, so here another customs options are there. You can edit your customs. You can use paint. You can import any picture, images already you have saved, or you can use camera options also. Sounds also you can use the sounds option. Any sound you can make, so that your games or cartoons images, so that your cartoon images will be attractive, good. Okay, so like this you can also make here, and full screen, project screen you can do. Option click, and the start green flag option click, and whatever you have made, that will show the animation, the cartoon movies, short movies, games, whatever you have made, it will show on your screen, desktop screen. Okay, so you can also make like this using Scratch programming. Options are there available. You can stop your project. So using commands like this, just drag it. Use all the scripts: motions, look, sounds, pen, data, events, control, sensing, operators. More blocks are there. You just one click and drag it, whatever require, which is drag the commands and operate. Okay, so this is all about Scratch programming. Thank you. Just subscribe the channel. You'll get more updated computer learning videos. Bye bye.